Why growing fast is destroying your online income. More followers will not fix a broken offer. More views will not fix a weak structure. Growth multiplies whatever already exists. If confusion exists, growth multiplies confusion. If clarity exists, growth multiplies income. Section number 1, the growth illusion. Most beginners are solving the wrong problem. They think, if I can just grow, income will come. So they post more, they chase trends, they study algorithm. But let me ask you something. If 1,000 people saw your content today, what actually would they buy? If you can't answer that one clearly, then your problem is not traffic, it's structure. Section 2, the real offer. There is a sequence most people ignore. You don't grow first, you design first. More clarification. The problem you solve is supposed to lead to outcome that you deliver, which must lead to the container of your offer. And that one should also lead to the mechanism for payment. And that one must then lead to controlled traffic. So traffic is step 5, not step 1. Section 3, step 2, integration. I call this principle monetize before you grow. Income follows structure while traffic amplifies structure. For serious beginners who are ready to implement this approach properly, I've organized it into a structured beginner foundation system. Not hype, not shortcuts, just structure. If this resonates, send the word structure on WhatsApp. I guide you through the first step. If this shifted how you think, stay here, we build differently. And your first structured monetization setup is closer than you think.